It took only 7 days
Went out of my mind when I saw it.
to give a school a makeover from top to bottom.
To see what they've taken and what they've made into it, or what we've made into it, it's been amazing.
Lanier Charter Elementary School hasn't been fully renovated in years.
We saw a facility that was sort of stuck in a time capsule. Nothing had been done here for a long time.
And for both students and teachers at the school, it was time for a change.
Let me put it like this, it was wretched.
The basketball goals were half torn. Everything was just not so good. But
the physical facility was deplorable, but yet they still continued to educate kids.
When a dedicated teacher caught wind of school pride, he contacted the show. For executive producer Cheryl Hines, coming to Baton Rouge was a no-brainer.
We were drawn to the teachers here and to the students. The students are thriving here, and they love the teachers, and they're learning a lot, and we just wanted to make sure that the buildings, the outside, was matching what's going on the inside.
In just 1 week, most of the school was renovated. Over 1,000 volunteers took part in the project.
From Canada, from North Carolina, they're driving in from all over the country just to show the kids that they care, and you feel it.
Bringing a sense of community and pride to Lanier.
This is why we do this, to get that smile, to get that sparkle, to know that you provided that happy place for my friends here.
But now it's beautiful. I love it.
In Baton Rouge, Kelsey Scram, NBC 33 News.